I'm so happy to be here today at Goa Institute of Management. It is a pleasure to visit this institute, and it's a great feeling. And in fact, in this beautiful environment, it's so serene. I think an ideal place for students to in fact put in their best and to make the best use of their time which they devote for various courses. There's a nice Atal incubator. Very good for startups. Very good initiative taken by this institute. They are also doing a lot of corporate trainings. In fact, I would be very happy if they could organize more corporate trainings over here. So instead of what you say, the corporate spending time out in hotels, they could have used all the facilities over here, which are quite adequate and sufficient.
यहाँ का एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही अच्छा रहा है। जितने भी हमारे बैंक से पार्टिसिपेंट्स आए थे, उन सभी को यहाँ के फैकल्टी के द्वारा जो टीम बिल्डिंग के संबंध में जो विशेष रूप से प्रैक्टिकल अप्रोच के साथ में जो ट्रेनिंग दिया गया वो बहुत ही लाभप्रद रहा।
We have very fantastic experience with Goa Institute of Management. Quality of faculty is very fantastic, very good. Our all MDP participants are enjoyed a lot and also learn practical things through institute. So we are very thankful and definitely will have more MDP programs in their institute. Thank you so much.